The grant that I applied for was drones in middle school. So we got 10 drones and then access to a Python block programming that enables the kids to program the drones. So first they learn how to connect the drones with the phone and fly them around themselves, and then they learn how to use block programming to accomplish specific goals using the drones. The younger they learn these skills, the better they're going to be when they get older, as opposed to waiting until they get older to first see it.
Really love flying drones, so when I found out I was going to be building drones, I was shocked and amazed. I want to try continue doing this for as long as I can, so like, go to events, get a drone, try to videotape them on drone.
For them, it's fun, so they're realizing, hey, I could do something that I enjoy and also make it a career. And that's the key for all of these kids to really understand, hey, you're not just coming to school and learning arbitrary stuff. This is that you're going to take with you and do something with when you grow up. And that they're already making those connections at their young age. I mean, that's fabulous. That's what it's all about.
I have been gaining skill because I didn't really build anything except for like wood with my dad. So I was like, oh, let's just try like mechanics and putting little parts together instead of wood. And I thought it was a really fun thing to do. Last
year, I had 3 kids literally doing drones. And once they started flying the drones around and the other kids in the school saw it, the robotics exploded. It's fantastic, and I'm so happy that this was even a possibility that we can make happen. So thank you so much. I mean, I couldn't be happier.